Hi, Darren Hall here from Bet72.com. We've reached half time in the Cheltenham Festival. We're looking for day 3 to get underway shortly. But I thought I'd just take this opportunity just to recap on the first couple of days. Been a fantastic couple of days of action, and obviously been a fantastic couple of days full of offers as well. Certainly the bookmakers have been pulling out all the stops, and we've enjoyed a really good couple of days. I mean, it's been a different sort of couple of days, really. I mean, the first day is always really hectic, really buoyant. You've obviously got the anticipation and everyone's just waiting to really get underway. A lot of the bookies go all out on the Supreme Novices, the first race, just to put a little bit of a flag in the sand, so to speak, and just to try and set their stall out for the rest of the week. So lots and lots to get onto. Certainly on the first day, and that really didn't actually disappoint. The second day, a little bit more tricky, obviously, because some of the main headline offers have perhaps dropped away a little bit, but there was a good opportunity to get involved with some of the price boosts, and both of these are online and in the high street shops as well, so that's a good. It's been a little bit different perhaps for us this year. One or two accounts which have probably dropped by the wayside, certainly online, means a trip down the high street, and it's just a case really of keeping tabs on what's going on, trying to get yourself in the best position, because these are all going to be very time limited offers, so you've only got a certain window of opportunity when they do actually appear. So preparation is key, and that's really what we've tried to do for everyone. Well, we try and do it every year, but obviously this year just as much, and really try and get the main headline offers and everything onto our site, cheltenham.bet72.com. And you can see here we've already got day 3 lined up and ready to go. And the race by race offer card is certainly the one which you want to be sort of looking at and bookmarking, really, because that's breaking down all the offers to the individual races, and which offers as well apply to the whole of the afternoon's action as well. So very good way to be able to plan your day. It's plan your day in terms of the offers to actually get on. It's also being able to plan a day in terms of your float as well, and where your money's going to be and where it's perhaps going to end up when you're actually doing the offers. So we've had a lot of great feedback on this page. We always do every year, and it really is a good time saver. So again, do check that out on the site. Naturally, we'll be updating it later today ahead of Gold Cup Day tomorrow as well. So that's been really good. Obviously, again, the social media side of it's been red hot. So again, the Twitter and the Facebook account have been really good. And also, we're residing in the Trading the Horses chat room this week as well, from 12:30 every day. So certainly worth getting in there if you can. Not only for myself, who can assist with any of the offers that are actually going on, but also we've got a couple of other pro traders in there, and some of the shout outs this week have been very profitable. One guy in there is giving out some red hot back to lay tips, where you can back the selections before the start, lay them off in running, and that's really given everyone's betting banker a nice boost. And to sort of follow on from that, then we have actually got an offer running all week with the guys over there, and you can get full access for 7 days, and that's full access to the Trading the Horses site, obviously the chat room, the software, and also please note that the chat room does actually combine itself with the football chat room as well. So with all the big Champions League action, obviously got Europa League tonight, and then straight back into the Premier League action at the weekend, then you can have a look and see what actually goes on with some of the football trading as well, and a lot of knowledgeable professional traders in there as well. And £3 just to even take a look and get some ideas and go over some of the strategies and thoughts there is really a no-brainer. So I'd certainly recommend checking that out. And the other thing really, as I say, is just the important thing really. I think we've found it has been a sort of documentational and administration point of view as well, and certainly I've had a couple of emails from people saying that they do have trouble keeping track of where actually everything is, and what would they recommend. So again, in some ways you can't just beat the old-fashioned format of just writing things down with pen and paper as you do it, because the chances are you're hopping about with your bets. I mean, certainly I just have a notepad alongside me. I'll type my notes up afterwards. But certainly as a very quick way, you can just scribble it down, and you literally know where the bets are, what the price is. I mean, you may be back in the morning with the boost and looking to lay off closer to the off time, when there may be, particularly with some of the favourites, where you're looking to get some sort of steam or some sort of change in the price direction anyway, as everyone sort of starts to lump in just before the off. But you need to know where your money is. Equally with the free bets as well, there's nothing more frustrating, I find, than being given some free money in effect by the bookmaker, only to find that the next time you go into that account or you check it out, it's actually expired. So always take a note of the expiry date. We've seen some offers which have just had the free bets for a single day. Some are for all of the week, and some will go right till the end of the month. So there's a big difference, and don't just assume that just because there's a bet in there you can just stack and stack and stack these bets and deal with them next week once all the panic has died down, because it's not going to be the case. There's certainly offers which the expiry date will be a very short window of opportunity, may even only be on that day's racing, in which case as soon as Cheltenham's over it's gone. So do make note of everything that you do, but certainly massive opportunity out there. We're still going strong. One of the other things as well I'd say to look out for is, if you go across to the site, click on this link at the top here, Smarkets, you've got an opportunity to get a free £10 risk-free bet, but also a 2% commission rate. So particularly for what we're doing, which is sort of relatively smaller amounts, if you like, in terms of the size of the free bets, perhaps compared to full-scale trading, the 2% will start to add up as you go along during the week. So it's well worth checking out, having an account. And we said in the previous video as well, the liquidity is good, so there's a good opportunity there for people to be able to enjoy a bit of a commission break, and also just get on. I mean, particularly if you're doing the Betfair offers as well, because Betfair have got a sports book, they have various price boosts and offers running as well. So naturally you need an alternative. You can't really be backing on the Betfair sportsbook and laying off on the exchange. So a secondary exchange account, we explained that in a previous video as well, is really a must, and certainly Smarkets is well worth checking out. Very liquid markets this week for the horse racing. You won't have any problems there at all. So yeah, click on the link at the top of the site, and you can get a risk-free £10 bet as well, just for trying the site out. So it really is another no-brainer for the festival. Right, okay, I'm going to get back and see if there's anything else that we need to get on. Anything that moves today will be on this site. As I say, if you can get into a chat room from 12:30, that'll be brilliant. If not, look out for our Facebook and Twitter updates during the afternoon, and we'll get another roundup in. It'll probably be out tomorrow morning now by the time we do it, but certainly ahead of Gold Cup Day, which is always a fantastic day in the calendar, and we're hoping that the bookies are going to pull out all the stops for us anyway. So I hope you have a profitable day. Happy with St Patrick's Day, by the way, and hopefully we've paid for 1 or 2 pints of the black stuff for everyone listening to this later. So yeah, have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Cheers, bye bye.